Hello, everyone. I am Jack. Welcome back to Learn English in Easy Way.
And I'm Anna.
Natural English expressions you can use at any cafe. Ordering coffee. Ordering tea. Before we start, today's question is simple. What drink did Jack finally order today? Watch carefully and write your answer in the comments below.
Why do coffee shops make me nervous?
Nervous? Really?
Okay, let's do this. Most people only order a few common drinks. You do not need to know everything.
Yeah.
Good start.
A latte is espresso with a lot of milk.
Smooth, not too strong, and I used some of your favorite vanilla syrup.
What about Americano?
An Americano is espresso with hot water.
It is stronger and simpler.
Ah.
Then maybe not an Americano for you.
What do you usually order, Anna?
I always order an iced vanilla latte.
Every single time.
No thinking required.
Before we order, let's talk about sizes. But some cafes use Italian words. Yes, tall means small, grande means medium, venti means large. Coffee shops like to feel special. Good news. Most local cafes just say small, medium, and large. Much easier.
I think I want a latte.
Hot or iced?
What can I get for you today?
I'd like a small latte, please.
I did it. I actually did it.
You did great, seriously.